Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Muhammad Alvin Aryansyah with the name 202331 and 310. So today I will make a video for my report assignment. So this is my SQL report assignment. According to the comments, we have to create the database first. To create a database, we can use commands like create database and then the name of database. But in this situation, I already make the database, so I just use command to use the database. It's like use and then the name of database. And then after that, according to the commands, we have to create the minimal 4 table in this database. So the first table is table pengguna. The commands like create and then the name of table. In this table there is ID pengguna with the type of data char and the parameter is 10. Char is just it used for like the character or number with the parameter is 10. And then second one is nama and type of data is varchar with the parameter is 100. Varchar is just like char, but it has a bigger size than the char and the parameter is 100. And then same as email with the varchar, and then same as password also with the 100 parameter. And then after that we have to make the ID pengguna to be a primary key. To do that, we can use alter. Alter is like command to edit whatever is in the table. Comments like alter and then the name of table pengguna, to modify the column ID pengguna, then the type of data, and to make the primary key. Okay, the next one is the second table. Second table is right here, table laporan with the same, and in this table there is a different type of data. For isi laporan there is text. It's just used to text. Then after that, in this table there is a ID pengguna where the type of data is char. The parameter is 10, same like primary key in this table pengguna. So it used to make the foreign key. And then the foreign key we can to make the foreign key we can use command like this: alter table laporan, and then we can add, enter, and then can use this commands foreign key, and then and this is ID pengguna from laporan table, and then it reference pengguna. This is the name of table right here, table pengguna, and then the name is ID pengguna. It's like primary key from table pengguna. Like I want to show up how the tables looks like, so I can use comments like this: dex and then the name of table laporan. So it shows like this. Okay, right here we can see mul in key. There is that means we succeed in creating a relationship between the tables. Okay, after that, okay, right here I forgot to make the ID laporan to be a primary key. So this is the comment to make the ID laporan to be a primary key. and then this is a display of the laporan table. Okay. The next step is I create the third table. This is the commands to create a table. The name is category laporan. In this table there is same type of data, char, varchar, text, and varchar. And then I make the primary key, the category laporan, the ID category to be primary key. And then the fourth table, I create the detail laporan table. In this table, there is one of the different type of data. There is date to date atau tanggal kategori. After that, I create the ID detail to be a primary key. And then same right here, I make the foreign key right here. There is ID laporan to be a primary key, and then the ID category to be a foreign key to make the relationship between this table. Okay, this is I want to show up all of the table, how it is look like. There is pengguna table, there is laporan table, category laporan table, and then the detail laporan table. I want to add minimal one column to the table, to one of the table. In this situation, I want to add the status laporan into the laporan table. So to do that, I can use commands like this, alter to edit, and then the name of table, add status laporan with the type of data is varchar, and then the parameter is 50. And then I use dex to show how the table looks. And then the name of the table is laporan, dex laporan, then it will be like this. See, this is the status laporan that the previous I add. So if it show up that we succeed to add the new column. Okay, the next step, according to the comments, the comments is to use drop to remove the foreign key in one of the tables that the mule should already be gone, and then show the table index info with show index from the name of the table. Okay, in this situation, according to the comments, I use comments that being told. So there is show create table, and then the table, the name of table, I use detail laporan in this situation. After that, I click enter, and then it will be show the detail of the detail data of the table. Especially this is a constraint that used to delete the foreign key from the table. Okay, so after that, after we knew the constraint, and the situation is IBFK1, we can use comments like this, alter table, and then the name of the table, there's detail laporan, drop to delete the foreign key, and then the name of the constraint, detail laporan IBFK2. After that, I click enter, and then to show the index, the comment is show index from detail laporan. Then it will be like this. It looks like this. There is still ID category that I want to remove from the table, but after we use commands, this command drop foreign key, we already remove the foreign key, but the columns is still right there. So to remove the column, we can use commands like this: alter table detail laporan drop index ID category, and then enter, and then we can show the index again. Can use commands like this: show index from detail laporan, and then it will be like this. It looks like this. So the ID category from the from before, it's already gone. So we succeed to make the foreign key to disappear, and then the column, and then we succeed to delete the column. In this detail laporan, you can see there is no mule in key, so that means we succeed to remove the foreign key from the ID category from this detail laporan table. Okay, so the last step is to delete one of the table from this database, and to do that, we have to make sure that the table that I want to delete, it has no relationship with other table. So I want to delete the detail laporan table, and then I want to remove the foreign key from the ID laporan to make the table has no relationship with other table. And then we can do this: show create table, then detail laporan. Then we can see this constraint detail laporan IBFK1. This is the foreign key, and then to delete or remove it, you can use alter table and then the name of table, drop or delete the foreign key, and then the name of constraints is detail laporan IBFK1. Then I show index from detail laporan. Then it will be like this. It looks like this. There is primary, and then the ID laporan. I want to delete that ID laporan column in this index, so I use alter table detail laporan, then drop index ID laporan, and then enter, and I show the index from detail laporans again. Then it looks like this. So the ID laporan is already gone, and then I show the tables looks like index detail laporan. Then it looks like this. So in this table there is just one primary key and then no foreign key. So that's mean this table has no relationship with other table. Okay, after that we can use commands like this: drop table detail laporan, then click enter. If it's no show the error, then it's success. And then I show the tables, all of the tables, and then this database is just tables like kategori laporan, and then pengguna.